I think I'm gonna like this. It's gonna be a lot of locks, but I think I'm gonna like it. Hey everyone, it's your girl Tyra and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. As you can tell from the title of this video, and just by looking at me, I did locks. Very long locks. And if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get the party started. My hair is already twisted up. I twisted it last week. So this is what my base is looking like, nothing too crazy. I did count how many twists I had in, and I have 70 twists. I low-key think I did the parts too small, but I'm not taking any twists out because it was a lot of work and I'm not doing that. These are what my parts are looking like. If you can get a gist of what I'm working with. So the hair that I'm using to do my locks are the Bobbi Boss New Locks in 24 inches. And I'm also using Springy Afro Twist by Expressions, also in 24 inches. Both in the color 1B because, yeah. I'm just going to section off my hair to the bottom row. And I'm going to get started on that. Okay, now I have that sectioned. This is what my bottom row looks like. 4 twists. So I'm pretty sure you're aware of how individual crochet locks normally get installed. They usually take the lock, crochet it through, and then they wrap the base twist or braid around the lock, and then they wrap additional hair around that. I'm not going to do that because my hair is long. It's basically the same length as the lock. So I just felt like that would be a lot of work, one, and it wouldn't give me the length that I want because I want them to hit a little longer than this. I wasn't thinking that through when I got the 24 inch. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lock, and instead of crocheting at the root, I'm going to attach it at the middle of my twist, get the length that I want, and then I'm going to wrap the Afro twist hair around this. And I'll show y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to take the Afro twist hair and wrap it around the base. Make sure it's secure, and then I'm going to start wrapping it around the length of my hair. Okay, so now that I'm at the middle of my twist, I'm just going to attach the lock. Pull my twist through. Yep, that's about the length that I want. And I'm just going to continue to wrap around. So I ran out of hair and I'm just going to take another piece and I'm going to wrap that around. And I'm just going to keep wrapping until I get to the bottom of my twist. Okay, and the first lock is done. This is what it looks like. Yes. So I'm just going to continue this and I'll be back once I have more of the locks and stuff. I think I'm going to like this. It's going to be a lot of locks, but I think I'm going to like it. the last twist. About time. It's been about 2 days. I'm finally here. So I'm just gonna walk y'all through it one last time. Taking a piece of spring twist, afro twist hair, whatever you wanna call it. This piece is a little bit bigger because I found that, what am I saying? I found that wrapping bigger pieces, it just goes by quicker. So taking the spring twist hair, grabbing the root of my twist, I'm gonna wrap it. And I wrap in the opposite direction. So wrap it around the base about 3 times. Then I'm just going to wrap down. Once I'm at the middle of the twist, I am going to slide in the Bobby Box new lock. Gonna open it, slide it through. Okay, so now that the Bobby Boss new lock is slid in, just gonna hold it in place and wrap the hair to secure it. Just wrap the hair around and continue to wrap down. And that lock is not gonna go anywhere. Palm roll. And this is what we have. Just going to keep on wrapping. I have this much left of my hair to wrap. And we are all done. Not really, because I still have a few locks that I need to finish wrapping. These locks are so long, honestly a little too long. Like they stop, they come past my butt, and that's a little bit too long for me. So I'm gonna cut them. Like, look at that. These things is long, and there's this one extremely long one because I added it in a little bit too late. But these things are long. I might cut like 2 inches off. 1 inch, I don't know, but some getting cut. I think I'm gonna just even them out today and then cut some more off another day. I don't even want to do all these. That's good. So I evened out the locks to the best of my ability. I might cut off a little bit more as the days progress, but I'm basically done. All I'm gonna do to finish off this style is apply some scalp serum. I'm using the one from My Black is Beautiful. This is their cooling scalp serum with blue ginger and mint. So I'm gonna just apply this to the scalp. I need to buy another bottle because I'm running out, and I love this stuff. Like, this stuff keeps my scalp in check. So I'm actually going to use 2 more products. I'll be back. And then I'm just going to go in with the Dark and Lovely Hair Hydrator from their Protective Styles line, just to further moisturize. And the last step isn't really necessary. I just like my hair to smell good. So I'm going to go in with the Dark and Lovely Hair Refresher, also from their Protective Styles line. I mainly use this when my hair is straight, but this stuff, it just smells so good. So I'm going to spray a little bit on the length of my locks. Because these things is long. And, you know, when I'm swinging them, I want them smell good. I want people to get a whiff, you know. So yeah, now my hair kind of has a scent, so I like that. Spray a little bit more. Okay, that's good. So I ended up using about 3.5 packs of the Bobbi Boss New Locs and 2 1/3 pack of the Afro Twist hair. I probably could have got away with 2 packs, but I was kind of playing around in the beginning and I ended up wasting hair. But yeah, that's how much hair I use. If your hair is like shoulder length or maybe a little bit longer, bra strap length even, you can get away with using less of the Afro Twist hair because you won't have to wrap so far down the lock like I did. But yeah, these locks are a little heavy. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little heavy. So I might not keep them in as long as I planned. Well, you know, it's just a cute little style to have in for the moment. If anything, this just means that, you know, I can do another protective style video. But I think that's about it. If you have any questions, comment them down below. Let's chat. All the hair, all the products that I use will be linked in the description box, so check that out if you need the details. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll let y'all later. Bye.